Hello friends, today we start the new concept of molarity. Its orientation about a NEET exam. Molarity. What is molarity? The number of moles of solute dissolved in its per liter of solution. The number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution, or 1 dm cube decimeter cube of solution. 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, and it also represent as capital letter M. It is represented letter M. Molarity is expressing concentration of solution. Molarity is expressing concentration of solution. Now, the molarity means that 1 mole of solute, 1 mole. What is 1 mole? 1 mole is the substance is equal to the amount of atom present in carbon 12 isotopes. It is calculated by 12 gram of carbon isotopes. Its mass of photometric calculation, or photometrically its value 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23, and 1 mole is calculated by 12 gram mole of substance or carbon divided by 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 to get the value of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Its value means the 1 mole of value, and it is also known as Avogadro's number. And this substance or this solute is a 1 mole of solute, and this 1 mole of solute is dissolved per liter of the solution. 1 dm cube is equal to 1 liter, and it is called the molarity of the solution. The molarity, this term is utilized to find out the concentration of given solution. Molarity M is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters, or number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in decimeter cube. Now, number of moles of solute. How to calculate number of moles of solute? Number of moles of solute calculated by mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Number of moles of solute is calculated by mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute, kg per mole or grams per mole. And this value says that mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kg per mole. Molar mass of solute in kg per mole, kilograms per mole, multiply by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. And to calculate the molarity. Now, molarity, volume dependent quantity. Molarity is volume dependent quantity. Number of volumes 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml, 800 ml, depends on volume of quantity, and volume changes with changes in temperature. Molarity, it also depends on temperature dependent quantity. If the temperature it changes, its molarity it changes. The unit of molarity are moles per liter. Moles per liter. Mole per decimeter is equal to, write down in this form, moles per decimeter cube. Now in short, molarity is equal to NB divided by V into 1000 ml. 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, and 1 liter is equal to decimeter cube also, or 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml volume of solvent. Now here NB divided by NB divided by V. NB is moles of solute, and we know that we can be calculated the number of moles of solute is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. NB moles of solute. Moles of solute is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Now here is also explained the one example here. If NaOH 80 gram of NaOH, calculate the molarity. 80 gram of NaOH dissolved in 1000 ml of water, 1 liter of water, 1 dm cube of water, 1 decimeter cube of water. Molarity is equal to moles, number of moles of NaOH divided by volume of the solution, volume of solution in liters. Now put this value here, number of moles of solute and number of moles of solute calculated, the given mass or mass of solute divided by molar mass. The mass of NaOH, here consider the 80 gram, and molar mass of NaOH is 40. Now divided by 80 divided by 40 to gives the value of 80 divided by 40 to gives the number of moles of solute is 2. Number of moles of solute is 2. Here is this 2, number of moles of solute divided by in how much amount of solvent is required. If it dissolved in 1000 ml or 1 liter of water, to give the value of 2 molar NaOH solution required for 1 liter of water. And in this way we can be calculated the one example. Now here is says that NEET oriented question, NEET exam, 2.46 gram of sodium hydroxide NaOH, its molar mass is 40, are dissolved in water and the solution is made to 100 centimeter cube. Now here is 100 centimeter cube is equal to 100 ml in a volumetric flask. Calculate the molarity of solution. Now here given quantities, the amount of NaOH. Amount of NaOH is equal to 2.46 gram. Volume of solution 100 centimeter cube, and this quantity making in a volumetric flask. Here is shown a volumetric flask, 100 ml volumetric flask. Solute 2.46 gram of NaOH, 100 ml water make the solution. Now firstly, the molarity is equal to moles of NaOH divided by volume of solution multiplied by in amount of 100 ml, 1000 ml. Now firstly calculated the moles of NaOH. First calculated the moles of NaOH. The moles, number of moles of NaOH, the mass of solute. Here is the mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of solute. The mass of NaOH is 2.46 gram divided by molar mass of NaOH is 40. So gives 0.246 divided by 4 and gives the answer 0.0615 moles. Now put this value in formula of molarity. Moles of NaOH divided by volume of solution 100 centimeter cube. Now put this value 0.0615 divided by volume 100 cubic centimeter means 100 ml multiplied by 1000, and you get the answer of molarity of NaOH is 0.615 molar. In this way, the concept of molarity here clear now. The number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution, and this concept can be utilized to solving the different types of problems in exam NEET and JEE. So thank you.